Hey friends, so if your floors are scratched, dull, or just beat up from daily wear, you've likely seen those ads for FloorRevive on FloorRevive.com promising to restore shine, fill scratches, and make them look brand new in minutes without sanding or hiring pros. Today I'm giving you the honest review, what it claims to do, the site legitimacy, real user experiences, pros and cons, plus red flags, so you can decide if it's legit or something to skip. Let's keep it straightforward, okay? Basically, FloorRevive is a liquid floor restorer you apply with a mop or cloth to hardwood, laminate, vinyl, tile, and similar surfaces. It claims to fill in scratches, restore original color and high-gloss shine, add protection, and rejuvenate tired floors fast and easy. No stripping or heavy work needed. First impressions? The bottle is simple, it spreads like a polish and can give a quick glossy look if your floor is clean and prepped. Honestly, it's convenient and no fuss, but the shine feels more like a surface coating than a real deep fix. Okay, now let's do a quick website legitimacy check. Scam Advisor gives FloorRevive.com a 47 out of 100 trust score, which is low and comes with caution flags. Grid&Soft scores it 60 out of 100 and says trusted but verify. The domain is about 49 days old, roughly 1 month and a half as of now, and whois data is hidden. Overall, it leans toward proceed with caution. Secure payments might be in place, but the young age, moderate to low scores, and hidden owner details make it feel risky for purchases. Moving on to real user experience and reviews, Trustpilot has 0 score and 0 reviews, no profile at all. On YouTube tests and forums, feedback is mixed to negative. Some say it adds temporary shine and covers light scuffs on sealed floors, making them look better right away. Others report it wears off quickly, leaves streaks or sticky spots, or does nothing for deeper damage. Many call it overhyped or just a basic polish. The pattern is overhyped gives a cosmetic boost for some, but no lasting restoration. Now, pros and cons from actual use. Pros, really easy to apply, quick visual improvement with gloss on clean floors, much cheaper than professional refinishing, and it can extend the life of okay surfaces. Cons, temporary results at best, doesn't fix deep scratches or worn finish, can build up uneven or gummy layers, and honestly, most testers say it's not the miracle fix ads promise. Always test a small hidden spot first. Here's one key point on additional evidence and red flags. The dramatic before and after photos and ads often look staged or heavily edited. Real YouTube tests show limited long-term effects, and the very young domain combined with low trust scores suggests it's a fast launch product relying on impulse buys and big restoration claims without much backing. So, putting it all together, easy to use with some temporary shine on decent floors, but low to moderate trust scores, 47 out of 100 Scam Advisor, 60 out of 100 Grid&Soft, domain only 49 days old, hidden whois data, no Trustpilot reviews, and overhyped claims with mixed real results make the picture clearly lean toward proceed with caution. My honest take? It's probably a real bottle of polish, not an empty scam, but don't expect permanent repairs. Better to skip for serious damage and go with known brands or pros. But at the end of the day, it's still up to you. Just remember to protect yourself and always use a secure payment method. That's about it for this review. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you in the next one.